Well, fellas, after this afternoon's unfortunate happenings, I think we got her back in shape. I mean, you guys, man, I get some hot glue on this bitch, but the nose is pretty strong. I mean, damn, yeah. There's some, we got some glue on it, man. I was concerned maybe the intakes were like, not getting enough airflow or some shit, but I don't think that's the problem at all, man. I think when I'm launching it, it was, and this is a trip, man. I toss it up in the air like that, and of course it's giving it down elevator with safe on, and like I think Jeff from Lower Alabama, he says he doesn't launch his in safe, which, I mean, I think I've only done it once, but I think I've got it figured out now so that when I toss it, it's gonna. I gave myself some pretty good throw on it now, so everything's clear. The motor still works and everything, fellas. The custom nose really took it hard, man. But look at that. I mean, if it would have been the one we get from, E-flite, holy crap, that would have been destroyed completely. That blue foam is just tough. It just wrinkled it a bit. Cracked the canopy last time, but hell, it's I think it'll fly, right? All right, fellas, keep 'em flying.